A function is a group of statements that together perform a task. Every C program contains the main function. Because program execution always begins with main function, there is no limit on the number of functions that might be present in a C program. Each function in a program is called in the sequence specified by the function calls in the main function. After each function has done its work, control returns to main function. When the sequence of statements in main function is completed, program ends. It is a collection of statements that performs an specific task. Key point about the functions in C programming. Function declaration. It is used to declare a function. Function definition. It means to write the code to perform the specific task. Function calling. It means to call the function to execute the function code. Example of function include str.h. This is a headed file. Void add integer a integer b function declaration. Void add integer a integer b function definition. Integer c equals to a plus b. Print the value printf. Add equals to %d c. Integer main function. It is the starting of the main function. Add 50 to 20. Function calling. In the above program, 50 will assign to variable a and 20 will assign a variable b, so the output is 70. Function declaration. Syntax. Function type, function name, parameter list. Example: integer multiplication, integer mul, integer m, integer n. This is a function declaration syntax. Function definition. Syntax. Return type, function name, type 1, argument 1, type 2, argument 2. This is the syntax of function definition. Example: float, multiplication mul, float x, float y. This is a function header. Float result, a result equal to x multiplication y. Function body, this is a function body, return result. Function call. Example of function call. Main function. This is the main function in C language. Starting point, integer y, int number y. Y equal to mul 10 5, multiplication 10 to 5. Function call. We call the function. Print the value printf, %d y, the print the value of y. This is the function call in the C programming.